All right, good morning, pure structure traders and YouTube. Today is August 23rd, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I'll be giving you some of the major levels here on S&P. Wendy will be going over the minor levels for you guys, and then we'll go over gold and oil for you guys. So if you guys like these videos, please go and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and hop into it. So for S&P 500, I have a couple levels. We hit a measured level for me, 44.5375. Next level up is going to be somewhere around 61.25. And then above that, 44.7575 is the next measure level. So we'll see what happens there. Support for me is going to come a little bit underneath. I got a main level, 44.3175. In fact, we could probably have another one that tops up maybe somewhere right around here, 44.3925. Below the 31.75 though is 44.21 and then 44.14. So those are going to be my main levels here on S&P 500. I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll give you some of the minor levels she has.
That's a lot of numbers, buddy.
I know.
Had a little trouble following you, but I want to start with your main support. Where is that?
Main support's going to be right around these 39.25s right now.
39.25. Beautiful. Okay. And you can see why, because looking left, that's a peak. So that would be peak number one. And now we're going to take our little tour on up. Totally bypass the next micro peak area of around 43. You can see how the market shot above it. And it looks like it was in the middle of creating a double top, right? So a lot of people would be afraid to go long. I am. But because why? Because we've got our support, another support, main secondary support at 46. And you can see how it had a little double bottom there at 46. 46. And then it started doing this cluster mess of a rotation up. It did hit the 55 as the rejection area because it appeared to be the double top. It still could be. I'm still waiting to take my 2 points on this thing. But I wasn't afraid to hit the long, hoping it would at least go to 54. 50, which is the beginning leg of that double top, and shoot right on through it to your measured move up above there at 61. But we'll see how it goes. So far we've got the micro peak at 38.39. Already used it as support. 43 is locked and loaded because it has not used it as support. So I'm going to keep it marked. And then we'll start creating other micro peaks on the way if this thing pushes past the 54, 55 area. So there we go. That's it. I'm going to hand this back to you for oil and gold.
Nice. All right. Let me go ahead and move over to gold for you guys. So gold heading up to our next level, 1808.8. Pretty nice move to the upside. Really no resistance as it kind of popped up. Little kind of minor pullbacks, as you can see, right into these minor areas. So around 91, 92, 96.1, and then 1801, 1800.1 as the levels that it kind of held on the way up. So right now, waiting for the market to get to 1808.8. That's where you probably will find a lot of resistance there. So that could be the area we look out for a nice short opportunity. We'll see what happens there as we open up. As it comes back down, though, if it does from 1808, look out for 1800 and then 1796.1 as the areas to the downside for maybe some potential support. Moving over into crude oil for you all. So crude oil, you can see we're trying to head back up. We're above 64.53, next level up 65.10 as resistance. Above that, 65.53. And then 66.02. Now supports underneath 64.53 is going to be 64.05 and then 63.28. So we'll see what happens. But right now, still moving to the upside. So I'm looking for the market to head up to 65.10 and then maybe potentially get some resistance there. If you want the support move, maybe pulling back into 64.53 and then bouncing from there could be the opportunity for the way up. If not, support again, 64.05. We'll see what happens there. But let's go ahead and prepare for the open, guys.